list that you're relaunching will be more reliable?
Yes, our new list will be more reliable because we changed our way to have all those information. We are talking directly to the director of the school service center or the school board, and we don't ask each principals of each school. We are going through the principal of the private school and the directors of the school service centers. And our team did work really hard through the weekend to be sure that this information is reliable.
How ready are you, Mr. Roberge, to put in place an accelerate screening, testing system in place in schools when you have COVID-19 cases? How ready you are to put an accelerate screening and testing system in place?
Well, Mr. Dubé already said that we have this fast course. If you have one COVID case in a school, parents have a direct number so they can have access to a test really fast.
Going back to sports, Geneviève was asking you, it started yesterday. Are you having this second thought of going backwards or backtracking and say, well, maybe we should stop with the number of cases in schools?
No, because we went with the alert, the color alert that my colleague put on. So if we have an increase of number of COVID in a region, this region won't stay in green or yellow. It will turn into orange or red, and so the kids in school won't be possible to do all those activities because our system now is adaptable.
Are there other things that you've had to reevaluate since back to school? For instance, you mentioned the class bubble closing, but then there are other cases where there's just one or two kids who are absent for a number of days or weeks. Are there other things that you have to reevaluate? Maybe they should be wearing masks. What are some of the changes, the adjustments that have had to be made since back to school?
Well, the plan that we made public in the middle of June was a good plan. We had to make few adjustments in the beginning of August, of course, with the mask, but now on we will stick to our plan. I think we have a pretty good plan. Of course, if we have to adjust, we will adjust, but our plan is to stick to our plan.